Make me tell you something about me. Say me's a bad boy born in the 90s. And if a little idiot ever diss me, you know me have to make the wickedness increase.
Young cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast.
Yeah. Go on mute, yeah, go on. Ease yourself, just keep it calm, mute your star. Only pop pressure in my corner. One time it hard for carry on. Me no need no girl for turn to, no man for talk to. Feelings hurt on the journey so far. Show me know me, we go do things and nobody argue. Me like go the loose and start hold me harder.
Wagwan, my Nigerian brothers and sisters, and if you are from any other country in Africa, welcome and make sure to subscribe to get all the videos like this video so we can continue to drop more contents like this one. Today's video is a special video because one of our brother is winning, and when we see success and achievements for our African brothers and sisters, we have to come and we have to highlight it because we know Burna Boy is a lover of dancehall and reggae music and he's a lover of our culture. So when we see stuff like this happening for Burna Boy, we have to show the people, we have to show Africa and Nigeria that us Jamaicans appreciate their music, appreciate the fast rising of Afrobeats. Burna Boy's Last is the fastest Afrobeat song in the history to be certified platinum by the RIAA. And that is a great achievement for Burna Boy and a great achievement for Afrobeats in general, the genre. Boy's summer hit Last is now certified platinum in the United States. So here in America, less than 1 year after its release, the song released in May of 2022 later appeared on the Nigerian star's 6th studio album, Love the Mini. According to the Recording Industry Association of America, RIAA, Last was certified platinum on Tuesday, March 7 after it reached the sales and streaming equivalent of 1 million units sold here in the USA. It is the fastest Afrobeat song to be certified gold and platinum in the US, surpassing 500,000 units in just 25 weeks and 1 million units in 9 months. That is a great achievement, and I just want to say congrats to Burna Boy. As you know, we have many other international Afrobeats artists across the world like Rema, Tems, and Wizkid. And speaking of Wizkid, because Wizkid is another Nigerian international Afrobeats artist, and his song with Tems, Essence, was a big song here in the US because I hear that song playing on the radio 24/7. And Wizkid's song Essence took over 1 year to be certified gold by the RIAA, and later 2 years to be certified platinum. So when we come here and we speak about Burna Boy's success and how it is a great achievement for him and for Afrobeats, you know, taking Afrobeats to the next level, I don't want anyone to take this achievement lightly. So Rema's Calm Down took 9 months before it was certified gold and just under 1 year before it was certified platinum, while Fireboy DML Peru took 10 months for gold and 19 months for platinum. So in Canada, Last was certified platinum after it surpassed 80,000 units sold in the country in November of 2022, according to Music Canada. 1 month later, it was certified platinum in the UK after surpassing 600,000 units in the UK, according to the British Photographic Industry. Last was nominated for the Grammy Award for Best Global Music Performance. Unfortunately, did not win that Grammy Award. Last spent 19 weeks on the US Billboard Hot 100, and that is not an easy feat. It's not an easy feat for any artist, international, local, anywhere, to be on the Billboard for that long, especially for an Afrobeats artist. It just goes to show how big of a song Last is. And the song peaked 44 on the US Billboard Hot 100 charts, and it spent 37 weeks on the UK singles chart, where it peaked at number 4. The official music video for Last that is directed by Burna Boy himself has surpassed over 171 million views here on YouTube. So Chopsticks produced Last and Burna Boy sampled Tony Braxton 2000 R&B classic He Wasn't Man Enough. Last is Burna Boy's most successful song in his catalog, and he said himself, and I quote, have made more money from Last Last than any other song in my whole career in a short space of time. So there was a misunderstanding between fans and a lot of music insiders, and they think that Toni Braxton actually get the entire 60% of the royalties, but Burna Boy came out and said that she does not get the entire 60% of the royalties, but just a small fraction. Surprisingly enough, this is Burna Boy's second platinum certification in the US. His 2018 hit Yay, which appeared on his Outside album, hit the milestone in January of 2023, while on the low of the album African Giant 2019 was certified gold in April of 2022. In the UK, Burna Boy has 3 other songs with platinum certification, namely Location, a collab with Dave, which is 3x platinum, 1.8 million units. Be Honest with Georgia Smith, which is platinum, 600,000 units. Own It with Stormzy and Ed Sheeran, which is platinum, 600,000 units. His gold certified song, 400,000 units in the UK, is Play Play with J Hus, while Ye on the low and Cmr with Mahila are certified silver, 200,000 units. And in Canada, On the Low, Ye, and Location with Dave are all certified platinum. So let me just close by saying congrats to Burna Boy once more for his achievement. And I'm going to speak Jamaican now. So if you make it to, if all I'm a Nigerian and African brother, they make it to the video to this end, then maybe you're not going to understand nothing what I say after this. So, on a big woman level, I just want to say that if Afrobeats can do it, dancehall and reggae music can also do it. We see Afrobeats come in, them go international, them go platinum, them go Billboard, them stick to the sound, them stick to the true sound of African music, of Afrobeats. Dancehall, I mix this, dancehall, I mix hip-hop, dancehall, I mix some other type of genre and all these things, and say them a fuse, and say them a try to crossover. No, you change the sound of the music, because if a fan of hip-hop go try listen hip-hop, and hip-hop, them want to hear, them don't want to hear country music, you see me, them don't want to hear pop. Them want to hear hip-hop, them want to hear rap music. And if you go for listen pop, you don't want to hear a hip-hop beat, you want to hear a pop beat where can make you feel that emotion and way. So if you come to listen dancehall and reggae, what you want to hear? You want to hear the one drop, you want to hear the beat and the bass and all these things. When you come in with a rap beat and the true fans of dancehall music come in, them don't want to listen, them want to listen to true, them want the authentic music. You see me? So the dancehall artists them and even reggae artists need to take a good look on Afrobeats and see how well Afrobeats is doing. What is Afrobeats doing that is working, where them can actually do in them own genre of music and stay true and authentic to the music and see it, and the music will reach where it's supposed to reach. There's a reason why Bob Marley still have the #1 album on iTunes. And there's a reason why Bob Marley still have the #1 song on iTunes. You see me? Because true and real reggae music are that we need. If you make it to the end of this video, thanks for the likes, thanks for the subscribe, thanks for the views, thanks for the comments. As always, I'm out.